following video presents the web marketing strategy of EasyJet, which is operating exclusively online. First of all, let's go over the market opportunity the airline is exploiting. This graph shows that booking tickets online represents more than 50% of the European online travel market. Airlines' presence on the internet has become a must-have. Let's now focus on EasyJet's strategy. EasyJet is following a low-cost strategy, which consists of a low-price strategy while trying to maintain similar perceived products, services, and benefits offered by competitors. This section presents the marketing strategy EasyJet conducts over the internet. The website is attractive, clear, easy to use. Whatever you want to book, a flight, a room, or just to rent a car, all is just easy. You just have to click on what you want. No option is automatically added. If the customer wants, he just has to click. No need for unclicking. Then, EasyJet proposes interesting packages. If customers book in the same time, accommodation or a car, they pay slightly less expensive than if they book each element separately. In addition, EasyJet gives a guarantee in proposing to pay back 2 times the difference if customers find less expensive elsewhere, what is very reassuring for clients. And if you don't need it, you don't have to see the whole list until the end to go to the next step. You just have to click on Continue on the right top of the page. The same thing to rent a car. Then EasyJet is even able to recognize you and find your data if you have already booked something. To do that, you just have to enter your email and your PIN. Otherwise, you submit your information. EasyJet is definitely a website of quality. The prices are the real prices. No taxes or check-in fees are added. The price you see is the price you pay at the end. On EasyJet, all the steps are thought in order to facilitate life of customers. If you don't say that you have flexible dates of travel, EasyJet directly proposes to choose between 3 days. The aim is still the same: enable customers to find the cheaper price, and to facilitate the whole thing, the better prices are in orange. If it's not sufficient, there's no problem. You have the possibility to check the better price into 3 weeks, or even on the whole year, with a cheaper price per month. EasyJet uses yield management. The more people look for one flight, the more expensive the price becomes. It does not depend on the actual bookings. But now, let's compare it with the Ryanair one, another famous low-cost airline. While all seems ordered on the EasyJet website, everything is a mess on Ryanair. The colors, information, advertising, all is mixed. Customers are not able to see the entire date of booking. Advertising in French and in English are mixed. Customers can only have a 6 days view, no other possibility. The price you choose is not the price that you'll pay. Sometimes you have to add online check-in, or taxes, or both, or sometimes nothing. It depends, but customers don't know the reason. On the right side, there are some Google advertising in order to generate extra revenues for the airline. It is really not serious for such a company. There is definitely non-comparison. EasyJet is far away better than its competitor. EasyJet uses both direct distribution through its own website, but also indirect through online travel agencies like Terminal A, for example. EasyJet advertises over the internet by placing ads on OTAs websites, but also through the pay-per-click technique on Google or Yahoo, for example. An email was sent on the 17th of February when we had to create a new account specifically for it, which was a hassle, and we had no answer until today. Now that we've reviewed the marketing strategy, let's go over the technological aspects. The colors used in the EasyJet website are a combination of orange on white and blue background. Here, the prevalent use of orange color around the website is specifically useful in its advertising message. Since it is a bright color, orange is used to emphasize a certain statement or information in a design message. This color also combines yellow and red, which makes it able to reflect positive feelings like joy, warmth, fascination, and determination. It is a color of sunshine, creativity, and stimulates the excitement of the viewer, suggesting pleasure and ambition. Some advertisements found are hyperlink banners which promote hotels, travel destinations, and car rental options, mainly from Europcar. They are situated on the left side or the bottom of the website and provide helpful and relevant information for the website visitor that would assist him or her in arranging the travel options. This is also known as collaborative marketing. The ease of navigation in the website is presented in the clarity of buttons, options, and simplicity of the site map. As for the menu bar, the main buttons include environment, hotels and apartments, ski, accommodation, car rental, airport parking, travel insurance. Information about this procedure is summarized in 3 main buttons on the menu bar, which can be accessed by 3 clicks. The EasyJet website also provides a link for more information about the following categories in more detail: booking information, flight information, information about the rest of your trip, in addition to information about the terms and conditions, baggage policy. The website also adds a link for the latest news, in this way keeping the visitor up to date and well aware of all related information to his or her flight. This is a feature that shows the website being up to date. EasyJet caters to customers from different countries in Europe and the region, since it is available in the languages ranging from English to Scandinavian, French, German, and East European languages. Speed, since the website contains minimal amounts of graphics and the limited use of macromedia flash, it allows a more speedy navigation throughout its sections. This is especially true through the few clicks which the user would need to book a whole trip. Through EasyJet, your trip would be ready within a few minutes. The site map gives a clear summary of what the user can find on the website. It is organized as follows: flight arrangement options, planning your trip, countries and other important website sections. It reflects the richness and quantity of features and options which EasyJet has. The ease of navigation here is shown since the online form of booking a flight is present on the left of the site map, allowing the user to reserve at any time.